Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys phone button layout guys. How can we change? Friends, you want to change guys your Infinix phone guys phone button layout style. So how can you change guys your phone button layout style today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we change guys infinix phone guys phone button layout guys. So we will have to on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll it friends. You can see guys your infinix phone guys, your phone guys system setting guys. Tap on phone system setting guys, and friends click on system navigation, and friends you can see your more setting guys. Tap here friends, you can see here button layout guys. You can change from here. So as you can see guys, in this phone button layout guys, we have got this back button here guys. Back button was here, but now why we have here. So like that guys, you can change guys your phone button layout style in your Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.